morning, guys. I'm here, and I'm here to help everyone. Yes, I use a command. Yes, and I'm here to help every villagers farming, cleaning their village. Yeah, as usual, because I love village. Yes, check this out. I brought this bone meal to improve the plants. Yeah, I suck at English. I'm Filipino. Put, put, nothings. We accidentally do that. No. Okay. Okay, this one. Oh, wait, guys. This cow is mine. Okay. Okay, let's go. Yes. You're welcome, guys. I hope there's another farm here. Let me just clean the village. Sorry, I'm lagging. Okay. I I found some random things that I can. Oh, there's a cactus. We need to clean this up. Okay, I'm lagging again. Fuck. Oh, look. Villager with a hat. Okay. Can I put this thing? Okay, I can't. Yeah, I literally can't. Okay. Give up. I give up. Come on. Let's go. I'm still sad. I'm still sad because of that one villager. Baby villager like this one. Hey, little guy. Saw you from yesterday. Remember me? Yeah, don't worry. I won't hurt you. Yes. Just stay here and don't go anywhere. I'm okay. I'm going to help you. Bye. Okay. Now this. Oh, look, my camel. No, don't go there. Are you okay? You're sleepy like me. Okay. Makes me wanna sleep too. Come on, don't go there. Come here. Don't sleep there. That's uncomfortable. Yeah. Let's go. Um, I need to find some more farms for the villagers. Oh, look! The couple! I saw the couple are helping themselves. Oh, look! A pesticide. Oh, I mean, no. Okay, let's go. I know they're, I, okay, speechless. I, no, I forgot how to speak English. In English, what the heck? Okay, look at this. Okay, I'm still lagging, but it's okay. At least I'm doing something new. So, yeah. Let's go. I come on, guys. There's another here. All of you are still harvesting this. I don't know. What the heck all this. Thanks, guys. But honestly, if they are thankful that I'm helping them, I should be thankful because they made me like stay here helping me. Like I'm a villager too. Come on, guys. Just harvest that. Don't. But it's okay though. It's all yours, guys. Come on, let me help you. Another one. Oh, look. Okay, I'm running. Okay, I have another one. What the? Okay, here. Don't look at me like that though. I hate eye contacts. Yes. Am I lagging or okay? Ain't no way, guys. Look, I found this couple. Let me. Okay. Sorry, sir. I'm sorry for watching you guys. Wait, is that a heart? What are they doing? Look, is that a kid? Okay, no, there's nothing. There's a kid. I'm gonna. Okay, there we go. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you guys. Look at this kid. I'm gonna take care of you too. Come on. What's up? Look at this. Check out this emerald. First time seeing that? Yeah, it's the first time though. Wow, they're talking again. Let's go. Both of both of them are farmers though. My favorite type of villagers. So yeah, let's go. I'm gonna set up a prank. I'm gonna set up a prank though. Look. Oh, the both of them are so romantic. I'm gonna set up a prank. Don't worry. Okay, let me just see. They're running. Oh my god. I didn't do that. Hey yo kid, check out this emerald. I'm distracting him. Don't worry. Okay, come on. Don't be scared. That's just me. I'm so sorry. Oh, don't look at me like that. I didn't press that. Come on. It was just a prank. Don't look at me like that. Okay, let's get out. Let's get out. Look. There's an awesome. This is an awesome village. Why? Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Life as a cleaner here. The village. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Thanks.